Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the headlights of a Montero Sport. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Ensure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full. This preparation ensures accurate measurements for optimal headlight alignment. We'll cover both vertical and horizontal adjustments for clear, safe night driving. Before you begin, park your Montero Sport on a flat, level surface, facing a wall or garage door about 25 feet away. Make sure your tires are properly inflated to their recommended pressure. Now, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs and mark this height on the wall. Also, mark the vertical center line of your vehicle on the wall. These marks are crucial for precise adjustments. Now, let's adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. Typically, one screw controls vertical movement and another controls horizontal movement. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn these screws. For low beams, aim the top of the brightest part of the beam, or the cut-off line, to be slightly below your marked line on the wall, usually by about 2 inches. Adjust horizontally so the brightest part is centered. After making your adjustments, take your Montero Sport for a short drive to ensure the changes are effective and safe. Observe how the headlights illuminate the road and if they cause glare for oncoming traffic. If needed, make small, fine-tuning adjustments. Remember, proper headlight aim is vital for your safety and the safety of others on the road. Recheck your headlight alignment periodically, especially after any front-end work or suspension changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.